Welcome to FX Options University, recorded live at the International Securities Exchange, the world's largest equity options exchange. Join the industry's top trading professionals as they provide insight and strategies for trading in the currency markets using FX options. FX options are a low-risk alternative to hedging currency moves in any market condition.
Okay, that's all for my demo from my desktop. Maybe Steve, you want to add something of maybe we can answer some questions.
Yeah, that's great, Christophe. First, I want to say thank you because I know it takes a lot of effort for you to pull the charts up and prepare a presentation, so I appreciate it. Learning more about how you make these recommendations, I think, makes investors more comfortable in actually implementing them. So that's really great stuff. And as you said, Cyril made some amazing calls just a couple weeks ago where he went out on a limb and it basically said he was U.S. dollar bullish just about through every pair, and the dollar has actually rallied significantly. So hats off to you and Cyril. That was just a great call. Thanks.
You're welcome. This is part of our job, and I hope this webinar has helped our listener to more understand how we take our position. Maybe so. Do you have any questions or more details you want to go
Christophe,
forward?
I do have one question, Christophe. What about for an investor that, so now if you had been dollar bullish, which you guys were, and if investors have implemented it, I know you talked about that 100% spot where you'd like to actually close out your positions. Yeah. What do you do when you get to 75 or 80% and it starts to stall? Do you put out those follow-up recommendations to consider closing it out?
In fact, I try to be very disciplined in my behavior. So that's why I don't provide follow-ups. Because some traders make some mistakes when, for example, they buy a call. They are bullish, the price goes in the right direction, and then it pull back a little bit, and they cut their position with a very low gain.
Right.
And that's why, in my opinion, reward risk is very important, and more important than the hit ratio. I prefer having a less willing trades more than more winning trades, but with small gains. So that's why I try to be very disciplined. I don't touch to my stop loss. I don't touch my targets, and I think the best way to lose money in trading is to touch to its stop loss. So I don't touch either the stop loss nor the target, so I'm sure I won't make this kind of mistake many traders do.
Well, thank you, Christophe, for clarifying that. If anybody has a question, just type it in. I want to remind everyone that you can always catch Trading Central at www.ise.com/FXTV, so you can check out their recommendations. They do them, or at least they're put on that FX TV each week. I think it's Wednesdays that we do it.
Yeah, Wednesday evening, yeah.
Yes. So they're available, and please check them out because you're going to get an update each week. What's better than that? Christophe, I don't see any other questions, so I want to thank you for spending a couple hours. One question. Brazilian Real from Patricia. What do you think?
Unfortunately, my platform is down.
Okay.
So, right. As I told you before, this is registered chart I showed you. So I don't have my platform in front of me, so I can't answer this question. Unfortunately, I'm very sorry for that. But We will answer this question for the next webinar. I think this the dates there.
Where is it?
25
Yep.
of February.
February 25th.
5th, oh. Yeah. So we will answer this question this time. I'm very sorry for Patricia. But while we still, as we said before, we're still bullish on the US dollar. I'm still bullish on the US dollar against the Mexican peso. So maybe it could help her to have an opinion on the Brazilian real. But I'm very sorry for that. We'll answer next time.
Right. I don't want to speak for Trading Central, but if you take a look at the chart, and we don't have the chart available, as Christophe said, it's very, very similar to a lot of the currencies. If you look at Brazilian real, the dollar is strong, as Christophe just mentioned. He can't comment on specific chart points, but the dollar has broken out of a range against most of, or maybe all of, just about, the currency. So how far can it go, and what will be the pullback? Trading Central will be back in a couple of weeks, February 25th. But we know the Brazilian real is a little weaker and the dollar is stronger, so therefore commodities are weaker. And that's, Patricia, a lot of what you might want to be doing with these recommendations is that obviously one thing leads to another. You might have a call on Brazilian real or a call spread or so a put spread, a lot of different things. But stay tuned. www.ise.com/FXTV. You can check out Trading Central's views at that time.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. Get trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary. Visit www.fxoptions.com. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.